Viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are liking my classes. If you are new viewers, then first subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and enjoy the classes. This video is basically about HS second year unit 4. Okay, and in the earlier classes I have completed unit 1, unit 2, unit 3 of class 12 business studies, and here we will start unit 4. Okay, the name of the unit is planning. Okay, all of you are familiar with the term planning. In the earlier classes, while describing about the different functions of management, we have said that planning comes under the first managerial functions. Okay, different functions of management are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Okay, and planning is the first functions of management. Okay, now when we utter the term planning, we automatically think about plan. Planning means what? Plan, preparation. Okay, what is planning? Planning is about thinking in advance before doing any activity. Okay, before doing any kind of job or any kind of work or any kind of activity, what we have to do, we have to make our preparation, and preparing is all about planning. Now the question is, in the preparation what we will do? Okay, planning involves with certain question like what to do, how to do, when to do, where to do, and by whom is to be done. Yes, these are 5 questions raised under planning. Yes, now the first question is what to do. Okay, whether you want to do a business or whether you do want to some kind of other activities or for studies, cooking, any activity, what to do. Suppose our mother, before going to the kitchen, what she prepare about, suppose preparing about the dinner, what to do means what to prepare for the dinner. Yes, that will be the first question. Khane mein aaj kya banao? Okay, next is what? How to do, how to prepare the things. Yes, what are the things required, okay, for the dinner. Okay, those kind of preparation about vegetables, preparation about other what we can say masalas and all, or other ingredients. Yes, how to do. And next is was when to do, means at what time she will start preparing the food. Okay, the time and what time she need to complete the task. Okay, that is when to do. And where to do. Where to do, all of you know, it's about the kitchen. Okay, and by whom is to be done means what? Mother will think about herself or take support of your sister or sometime you also. Okay, beta, you come and do this kind of thing. Those kind of things is also involved with by whom is to be done. Similarly, in a business, we see when you talk about planning, what business to start. Okay, how to start that business. Yes, what financial requirement. Yes, the place of the job. Yes, this means what to do. Sorry, how to do. Next is what? When to do. When we will start. After how many months? 3 months, 6 months. That time segment comes under what? When to do. And where to start the business, what will be the exact location, or I shall start online. Okay, that is the meaning of what? Where to do. And by whom is to be done is what are the resources or manpower required to do that particular activity. That is the meaning by whom is to be done. Okay, understand about these questions. Now, why planning is done? Planning is done basically to bridge the gap. There is a gap. What is the gap? Current status and future destination or goal. There is a gap. Where we are means current status and what we want to achieve. I want to start a business in the town. That is the goal within 6 months. Okay, that is the future. And where you are stuck right now at your home. Yes, there is a gap, and these gap can be fulfilled by what? Through planning. Yes, there's a definition. Planning bridges the gap between current status and future goal or destination. Okay, that is all about planning. Yes, now next topic we shall proceed to a different features of planning. Yes, what are the features or characteristics involved with planning? Okay, different characteristics of planning are: planning focus on achieving objective. It is the primary function of management. It is pervasive by nature. It is a continuous process. It is a futuristic approach, and it involves with decision making. These are 6 features or characteristics I have raised. Let's go in detail. Now, the first features we have found that planning focus on achieving objective or goal. Why planning is done? What is the mindset? Mindset is there is certain destination. Setting of destination means I want to achieve that. So as a student, yes, if you want to achieve good marks in your final exam, means that is your achieving objectives, and for this reason what we have to do, you have to make your plan. That is the meaning of planning focus on achieving objective. Number 2 is what? It is the primary function of management. Primary means basic, important. Yes, and without planning other function, you cannot guarantee that it will success. First you have to make a proper plan, proper strategy, then go on, then automatically you will achieve the goal. Therefore it is said that is a primary or basic function of management. Number 3rd one is what? It is pervasive. The term pervasive we've already uttered in the previous chapter. Pervasive means what? Which is acceptable in all forms or all place, or which exists in all time at all level. That is the meaning of what? Pervasive by nature. Planning is done in top level, planning is done in middle level, planning is done in lower level. Yes, administrative plan are done by top level, functional plan are done by middle level, and day-to-day plan are done by lower level of management. Therefore it is said that pervasive by nature. Next is what? It is a continuous process. Yes, continuous means keep on doing, keep on rolling, keep on going. Once you have planned, or for plan cannot be made for one time. A plan is done, okay, next day there is no activity. No, it is not like that. Regularly you have to make your plan. Mother also regularly make her plan for the what we say preparing food. You also have to make your regular plan for getting good marks or good result. Similarly, business class also what they do, regularly make plan to achieve the goal of success. That is the meaning of continuous process. Next is futuristic approach. Future planning always peep or look, jhankna. What they do? Planning looks what is in the future, what will be the problem. They analyze the thing and they develop strategy. Means they have forecast the thing. Planning forecast the thing means therefore it is known as what? Futuristic approach. Yes, and last one is what? Planning involves with decision making. Yes, when you will make a good plan, it helps in taking good decision. Yes, पहले मैं कौन सा आंसर लिखूंगा? 1 मार्क का लिखूंगा, 8 मार्क्स का लिखूंगा. यस, प्रैक्टिकल पहले करूंगा, थ्योरी पहले करूंगा. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इट. इट involves with what? Decision making. What you are going to do in first stage, what we will be going to do in the second stage. That is the meaning of what? Planning involves with decision making. Yes, what we have learned in this class, meaning of planning. Planning involves with thinking activity. Okay, thinking before doing. Yes, it bridges the gap between current status and future destination, different characteristics of planning. It helps in achieving objective, basic functions of management, pervasive, yes, continuous process, futuristic approach, and involves with decision making. Okay, this is all about the class. Hope you have liked. Stay tuned with my channel for the next topic of planning. Thank you.